Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make enrolled wallet account for eGold. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your browser, and right away go to the search bar and type in Elrond Wallet or Create Elrond Wallet. It will simply give you this option of Multiverse Wallet, which is simply has expanded, like they have expanded to become multiverse in that way, that's what I was asking. Has expanded and now has been renamed as multiverse as well. Once you have access, this is how the website gonna appear to you. If you haven't created an account, go ahead, tap on I understand, etc. for their terms and condition, and tap on this continue for you to create wallet. Now you can see that write down this verse in this correct order. You can use them to access your wallet. Make sure you protect them. This is simply for you to give a protection concern. Tap on create wallet, and now they will simply ask you to add in the correct word for the security purpose. I'm just gonna do it. Once you're done adding the correct words, tap on continue, and now simply create yourself a password. Once you're done, tap on continue, and there we go. You can simply say choose to save in, and there we go, and tap on access wallet. And now we have simply created ourselves a wallet. We can add in login using our key store if you have one. We're going to simply add in our password once you have got it, and then we're going to tap on access wallet. You can see it simply asks you to use your login using key store, which you have to provide right over here. Tap on select the file, provide the picture from your computer gallery itself. Once you've provided that, you will be able to log in and access it as well and use it however you want, and that is simply the way for you to do so. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.